welcome to my channel. This is Flookie sden. Thank you for joining me here today. My name is Flookie, and if you're new here, you're welcome. Please click the subscribe button and don't be left out of the new and juicy things that we share on this channel. For my old subscribers, you have done so well to come back again. Thank you once again. We are in the December month, and yeah, December is for celebration. December is a time where we all gather as family, we gather as friends, and we look at how the year has been and what the year has made for us, what the benefit of this year has been, what we're grateful about, things that we look back and we just smile and just thank God for the benefits of the things that He has brought our way throughout the year. It could be friendship, it could be relationship, it could be new jobs, it could be new births, it could be a new car, it could be a new house, it could be anything, but you're grateful that God has done wonderfully well for you and your family. Don't take anything for granted where you currently are. And I think it's just an opportunity for everyone to be grateful to God, to reflect. And as you look forward to, celebrating this December with so many Christmas trees coming up, so many gatherings and plans for many activities for people to enjoy and celebrate comes up even in this month of December. I want to use this opportunity to wish you a Merry Christmas. I'm still going to share a Christmas vlog with you guys, but I'm just wishing you a Merry Christmas ahead, and enjoy the fun, celebrate, relax, take a step back, breathe in, breathe out. You've come this far, you definitely have so much more to go ahead of you. So be safe, be good, enjoy the weather. It's been snowing here. We're grateful for the snow as well, even though I don't like it. But we got to be grateful. We have to thank God for every situation that we find ourselves in.